guys, Ethan here. Today I'm going to be unboxing an iPad Pro M4 13-inch Wi-Fi and cellular. So this is going to be my new editing device. My sister wanted a laptop, so I gave her the MacBook Air that I unboxed earlier. And besides, this is more portable, I think. And it has a better screen. Oh, and I got it in 256 gigabytes of storage. So, let's open this up, shall we? One tip. Alright, here it is. We're gonna set it. Oh my goodness! This thing is... Holy crap! This thing is like... really super thin. It's thinner than my MacBook that I had. Anyway, let's set it to the side. We'll do the paper later. And then we'll open... See if there's any Apple stickers in here. Well, nope, that's okay. Got our little charging brick. You get our charging brick and your color matched cable. And we'll get this braided color matched cable. And that seems it in the box. So now let's get the iPad and do the paper. And I got it in space black. Oh, wow. I don't know if I'm going to use this for recording YouTube videos or not. I'll have to see how good the cameras are. There she is. It's upside down. In all its glory before it gets smudged up by fingerprints. Anyway, I'm going to put this down here. That would be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you like this content, please do subscribe and ring that bell icon so you can see more unboxings like this. Anyway, that's it.